Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden. So y'all, I just came out to check on the garden. I haven't been out here in about a week. Yes, I have had to neglect my garden for a week. But I'm out here this morning and we're gonna do some harvesting of some of this lettuce. And Lord, let me turn y'all around to see what I see. Hold on. So I came out here to get some lettuce and just the water. But y'all, look at this. Y'all see that? And then I got another one growing right next to it. And then look in the back, the yellow one. You see the yellow one back there? Oh, excuse me, Mr. B. Oh, they all up and through here. So we gonna have us some zucchini today. Oh, and look, the beans are beaning. What? What? Yes, yes, and yes. Okay, let's look around and see what else is. Do we have some strawberries? No strawberries. My tomatoes are not doing too well this year. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Now we have a couple of right here. Maybe y'all need some food. Yeah, I ain't been out here to talk to y'all, huh? This done dropped all its leaves. Lord, oh, what is going on with y'all this year? What's going on? I don't know. My parsley is starting to go to seed. I have to clip that off. This orange mint is trying to touch the ground. We not having that. Yeah, we got to get in here and do some work. Some work. I need to get a trellis to put this these grapes on. What else we need? My plum done dropped all its leaves. I don't know what's going on with the plum. But Angelica, she doing her thing. She's showing out again. Y'all know she always come back every year. But other than that, I am too excited about this. The zucchini over there. So let's go over here and see if we have any cucumbers. Any cucumbers? Any cucumbers? You is not supposed to be over there, my friend. You got your own place to grow. Oh, there we go. Look. Y'all see that? Yes, yes, yes. Come on through. We got him. Then we got another one right there. I should say her. Let's redirect you. right, let's see. Well, check that out. Got some volunteer 1, 2, 3 growing right here. Don't know what that is. Looks like watermelon, but it can be any kind of melon growing. So these 3 are watermelon. Trying to figure out how they got out of the bed. Must have dropped some seeds. So they are gonna go in this bed right here next to it. Yeah, looking good, looking good. I don't know. I guess I didn't do a good of a job as I thought I was doing when I was putting my trellis up. Something is eating the basil. All right, let's see what else. I don't know. This bed over here. Look at here. So this basil is doing good, but I don't know. This bed, it seemed like it's. Okay, so this bed, I don't know. It seemed like stuff is not really growing in this bed that well. I mean, the cucumbers are doing fine, but my pepper plants are not doing all that well. And these over here. Now, I just transplanted them 2 weeks ago, but they should be bigger than that. In the onions, look at these onions compared to those onions. I don't know. Maybe this bed needs a little more something. Let's see what else. This, yeah, I need to get in here and harvest and clean out those weeds. So these are doing great. Those are the potatoes that I transplanted over here. Oh, let's check on the pak choy or bok choy. I still don't know. I just know I had seeds and I planted them. Doing well. Do we have any strawberries? Do we have any? Oh, they little bitty. They little bitty. Why I don't have no berries, y'all? Why I don't have no berries? They need some. You need some fertilizer. Some fertilizer. Okay, let's go check on those Taiwanese pole beans. They're doing good, but they're about to come up. They're about to come up because I'm gonna put my banana plant over here. Yes, I have two new additions to the garden. One of my Mary Kay sisters blessed me with 2 banana plants. So I'm going to put one over here in this corner. And if that jungle over there, I'm gonna cut all that down, and I'm gonna put one over there in that corner. And this, I think this is a cabbage. Doing fine, doing fine. And let's check on the so this is a bed with dwarf okra, and as you guys know, this bed has sweet potatoes in it. So yeah, it's all a part of gardening. Y'all, I want to get the but they got so many bees in here. Let me go from this side. Our first zucchini. Oh, they got 2 more in there that I can't get to. So birdie. So birdie. So we're gonna fertilize our tomatoes. We got some good rainwater right here. Some of this good 511 right here. Just a little bit. And we're gonna use some of this shrimp water that I saved. And we're gonna mix that up and fertilize these shrimp over here. I mean, the tomatoes. gonna fertilize, give a little bit to the strawberries also.